and all my babies. It's your girl, Where Secrets, coming at you with another video. Before we get started, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend to tell a family member to tell somebody else, because we is straight litty over here. And without further ado, y'all, in today's video, I want to do kind of a compare and contrast video of my journals. And y'all, I'm in love with both of these. They're awesome. They're great little things to have, when you want to, keep a hold of your planner, your daily task, or, just your thoughts. If you want to use it as like a journal, whatever the case may be, y'all, perfect. So I did purchase both of these off AliExpress. Amazon have them, but Amazon went like $50. AliExpress has them. Unfortunately, I can't link them down below. Y'all know how that is. YouTube do not be playing them games. But if you search Checker Planner on AliExpress, these options will come up. They have both sizes. They only have two sizes. This is the A5 and this is the A6. And y'all excuse my nails, I just did a whole full set. Didn't even polish them. Your girl's tired. But yes, this is the A5 and this is the A6 color or size. They come in both of these colors. They also come in the black and gray damier and also a red color. But I wanted to pick these two traditional sizes. So once again, this is the A5, A6. So basically, the higher the number, the bigger the planner, and then the lower the number, the smaller the planner. After A6, there is an A7. I want to say it's about a half of this size, about 2/3 of the size. Y'all know, it's smaller than this. It would probably be like this size if compared to this size. So that's just too small, and I just think these are perfect. I use this planner for school, doctor's appointments, daily tasks, monthly budgeting, and what else? My grocery list. This one I haven't started writing in this yet, but this is going to be where I keep like my thoughts, journaling, YouTube content ideas, other business ventures that I kind of want to tap into. So that's going to be the start of that. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all and, compare the sizes. So as the A5, as you can see, this is very massive. This is very large. And I think they even have bigger sizes than this, but I think this is just fine. I usually keep this at my work desk, and it works perfect for me. But it's massive. This size, I got this. I can carry this on the go with me. I can carry this on, in my purse. And it's just perfect. So this is size comparison. As you can see, they're both still big, but this one is very smaller compared to this one. Size, comparison. And then when it comes to like the size of the paper, so as you can see, there's a big difference, size and paper. So me, I'm a righty, so I'm always like, I write big, my hands is big, so this is very reasonable for me when it comes to documenting everything because of the size. This one, as you can see, my hand is going to be kind of hanging off, even though I got like larger paper back here. But y'all, it's still a smaller size compared to this. So it just really depends on what your needs are for whether it's like daily usage or here and there or on the go. So in my opinion, if you can get both, get them. I want to say this one was, let me see, $12. I want to say this one is $15. So yes, price range, they're perfect. They're very affordable. It just depends on the size that you're going for. Like this one, I have like my planner and stuff. In my next video, I'm gonna do like what's in my planner. But this one, I'm just doing compare as far as the sizes, y'all. So as you can see, this is massive. So if if you're into planners, I would definitely invest in these. Just depending on the size. I just wanted to show the sizes so a lot of you probably can get a better understanding of the difference between this, the A5, and this, the A6. So this is, this probably remind you of like a, back in the day they had your contacts book, like a phone book that you would write your contacts in. So this is like the size of that. I got cream color paper because I just wanted to be matchy, but they have different color paper. They have white, cream, brown, purple, blue, different color paper. So you can get theme paper. I thought this was so cute with the teddy bears. For both sizes, they do have different type of theme, like stuff like this for both sizes. You just have to find them. I purchased the filler paper in both of them from Amazon. The only thing I purchased from AliExpress was this divider right here because I thought it was so cute. Did I purchase that from AliExpress or Amazon? But everything else I purchased from Amazon, the filler paper, because it was so cute. But y'all, I just wanted to show y'all this. Hopefully this helps somebody out there in the YouTube world, because this is the sizes. So as you can see, there is a big difference. Definitely choose wisely, or if you can get more than one, get both. That's great. So once again, this is the A5, the big one, and the smaller one is the A6. So yes, so hopefully this was very helpful, and I'll see you guys in the next video.